Harappan Indus Civilization 2500 BC to 1750 BC. The oldest name Indus Civilization. According to archaeological tradition, the most appropriate name Harappan Civilization. Harappa, the first discovered site. According to geological point of view, the most suitable name Indus Saraswati Civilization. The largest concentration of settlement along the Indus Saraswati river valley, 80% settlement along the Saraswati. The most accepted period 2500 BC to 1750 BC by carbon 14 dating. John Marshall was the first scholar to use the term Indus civilization. The Indus civilization belongs to proto-historic period, Chalcolithic Age or Bronze Age. The Indus civilization was spread over Sindh, Baluchistan, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, western UP, and northern Maharashtra. Scholars generally believe that Harappa, Ghar, Mohenjo-daro axis represents the heartland of the Indus civilization. The northernmost site of Indus civilization, Ropar, Sutlej, Punjab earlier, Manda, Chenab, Jammu Kashmir now. The southernmost site of Indus civilization, Bhadrau, Kim, Gujarat earlier, Daimabad, Pravara, Maharashtra now. Site, river, district, state, province, country, excavators. The easternmost site of Indus civilization, Alamgirpur, Hindon, Uttar Pradesh. The westernmost site of Indus civilization, Sutkajandar, Dusk, Makran Coast, Pakistan, Iran border. Capital cities, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro. Port cities, Lothal, Sutkajandar, Halandino, Balakot, Kuntasi. Site Harappa, River, Ravi, Sahiwal district, Punjab state, Pakistan country. Dayaram Shani 1921, Madhu Swarup Vatsa 1926, Wheeler 1946. Mohenjo-daro, Nakhlistan, that is Oasis of Sindh, Indus, Larkana, Sindh, Pakistan, Rakhaldas Banerjee 1922, Mackay 1927, Wheeler 1930. Chanhudaro, Indus, Nawab Shah, Sindh, Pakistan, Mackay 1925, N.G. Majumdar 1931. Lothal, Bhugawa, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, S.R. Rao 1954. Kalibanga, that is the bangles of black color, Ghagar, Ganumangar, Rajasthan, India, Amalanath Ghosh 1951, B.B. Lal and B.K. Thapar 1961. Banawali, Ghar, Fatehabad, Haryana, India, R.S. Bis 1973. Dholavira, Luni, Kutch, Gujarat, India, J.P. Joshi 1967 to 68. Site archaeological finds. Harappa, 6 granaries in row, working floors, workmen quarters, virgin goddess, seal, symmetry R37H, stone symbols of lingam, male sex organ, and yoni, female sex organ, sandstone statue of male torso, steatite statue of male dancer, painted pottery, clay figures of mother goddess, beaten barley in wooden mortar, copper scale, crucible for bronze, copper-made mirror, vanity box, dice. Mohenjo-daro, great granary, great bath, the largest building of civilization, assembly hall, shell strips, Pasupati Mahadeva, Proto-Shiva seal, bronze image of a nude woman dancer, steatite statue of priest king, bust of a bearded man, human skeletons huddled together, painted seal, demigod, clay figures of mother goddess, a fragment of woven cotton, brick kilns, 2 Mesopotamian seals, 1398 seals, 56% of total seals of civilization, dies. Chanhudaro, city without a citadel, inkpot, lipstick, metal workers, shell ornament makers, and bead makers, shops, imprint of dog's paw on a brick, terracotta model of a bullock cart, bronze toy cart, Lothal, dockyard, rice husk, metal workers, shell ornament makers, and bird makers shops, fire altars, terracotta figuring of a horse, double burial, burying a male and a female in a single grave, terracotta model of a ship, dying vat, Persian Iranian seal, Bahrainian seal, painted jar, bird, and fox. Kalibanga, plowed field surface, pre-Harappan, 7 fire altars, decorated bricks, wheels of a toy cart, Mesopotamian cylindrical seal. Banawali, lack of chessboard or gridiron pattern town planning, lack of systematic drainage system, toy plow, clay figures of Mother Goddess. Dolavira, a unique water harnessing system and its storm water drainage system, a large well and a bath, giant water reservoirs, only site to be divided into 3 parts, largest Harappan inscription used for civic purposes, a stadium. Surkathada, bones of horse, oval grave, pot burials. Daimabad, bronze images, charioteer with chariot, ox, elephant, and rhinoceros. Note: Mohenjo-daro, the largest site of Indus civilization. Rakhighari, the largest Indian site of Indus civilization. Common features of major cities. 1. Systematic town planning on the lines of grid system. 2. Use of burnt bricks in constructions. 3. Underground drainage system. Giant water reservoirs in Dholavira. 4. Fortified citadel. Exception Chanhudaru. Surkutdada, Kutch district, Gujarat, the only Indus site where the remains of a horse have actually been found. Main crops: wheat and barley, evidence of cultivation of rice in Lothal and Rangpur, Gujarat only. Other crops: dates, mustard, sesame, cotton, etc. Indus people were the first to produce cotton in the world. Animals: sheep, goat, oxen, ox and cow, hump and humpless bull, buffalo, boar, dog, cat, pig, foal, deer, tortoise, elephant, camel, rhinoceros, tiger, etc. Lion was not known to Indus people. From Amari, a single instance of the Indian rhinoceros has been reported. There was extensive inland and foreign trade. Foreign trade with Mesopotamia or Sumeria, modern Iraq, Bahrain, etc. flourished. Imports from gold, Kolar, Karnataka, Afghanistan, Persia, Iran. Silver, Afghanistan, Persia, Iran, South India. Copper, K3, Rajasthan, Baluchistan, Arabia. Tin, Afghanistan, Bihar. Lapis lazuli and sapphire, Badakhshan, Afghanistan. Jade, Central Asia. Steatite, Saher-e-Sokta, Iran. Kirtar Hills, Pakistan. Amethyst, Maharashtra. Agate, Chalcedonies and carnelians, Saurashtra and West India. Exports: agricultural products, cotton goods, terracotta figurines, pottery, certain beads from Sankhudaro, conch shell from Lothal, ivory products, copper, etc. A very interesting feature of the civilization was that iron was known to the people. The Sumerian text referred to trade relations with Meluha, which was the name given to the Indus region. Saktuhagai and Mundigak were the Indus sites found in Afghanistan. The Sumerian text also referred to 2 intermediate stations, Dilmun, Bahrain and Makran coast, Susa and Urare, Mesopotamian places where Harappan seals were found. The Harappans were the earliest people to produce cotton. It was called Sindon by the Greeks. As there is no evidence of coins, barter is assumed to have been the normal method of exchange of goods. Lothal was an ancient port of Indus civilization. The Indus civilization was primarily urban. There is no clear-cut evidence of a nature of polity, but it seems that the ruling authority of Indus civilization was a class of merchants. The Harappan people didn't worship their gods in temple. No temple, in fact, has been unearthed. An idea of the religion is formed from the statues and figurines found. The most commonly found figurine is that of Mother Goddess Matri Devi or Shakti. There is evidence of prevalence of yoni, female sex organ worship. The chief male deity was the Pasupati Mahadeva, that is, the lord of animals, Proto Shiva, represented in seals as sitting in yogic posture. He is surrounded by four animals elephant, tiger, rhino, and buffalo, and two deer appear at his feet. There was the prevalence of phallic lingam worship. Thus, Shiva Shakti worship, the oldest form of worship in India, appears to have been part of the religious belief of Harappan people, especially humped bull. The remains and relics also reveal the Zulatry, that is, animal worship and tree worship, especially people, were in vogue in those days. There is the evidence of pictographic script found mainly on seals. The script has not been deciphered so far, but overlap of letters on some of the posters from Kalibanga show that writing was boustrophedan or from right to left and from left to right in alternate lines. It has been referred to a Proto-Dravidian. Note, the oldest script in Indian subcontinent is the Harappan script, but the oldest deciphered script is Brahmi script known from about 5th century BC. Most later Indian script developed from Brahmi. Steatite was mainly used in the manufacture of seals. Humpless bull is represented in most of the Indus seals. Inhumation or complete burial was the most common method of disposal of the dead. The origin of the swastika symbol can be traced to the Indus civilization. Indra is accused of causing the decline of Indus civilization. M. Wheeler. The Rig Veda speaks of a battle at a place named Harimpia, which has been identified with Harappa. The majority of scholars believe that the makers of this civilization were Dravidian. Contemporary civilization of Indus civilization, Mesopotamia, Egypt, and China.